Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so scanning is reliable. Sign into your Matterport account and verify the app and device are compatible. Once done, charge the device and clear clutter around the entry so your first capture has clean geometry. Next, open the Matterport app, create or select a project, and tap Start Scan. This initiates the capture workflow and places your first scan position. It's the foundation for alignment, so take a steady first pan and hold the device level. You should move methodically through the space. Scan each position with a slow, steady rotation while watching the processing ring so the app registers features. Make sure consecutive scans overlap roughly 50 to 70%. This overlap is why the system stitches point clouds together accurately. When you reach corners or tricky lighting, label the floor and add a note so you remember to retake or adjust later. Keep a consistent step distance and height to preserve scale and minimize holes in the final model. When you complete the sweep, tap Finish and allow the cloud to process fully before leaving the app. This gives you an initial alignment to review. Next, inspect the model for holes, misalignments, or missing details, and use the app's markup tools to note any areas needing rework. If you find bad alignment, rescan the problematic area with overlapping positions, or use the manual alignment tool. This corrects drift. One troubleshooting tip: inconsistent lighting causes stitching errors, so retake scans with stable lighting if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.